This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and today we have a Maytag electric dryer that's taking way too long to dry the clothes. This is situated in a condominium, but this could also be true of an apartment building. The problem with these is that when the dryer exhaust leaves, it has to go through the wall and then basically go straight up for probably at least 10 feet. So it goes through this, where the red arrow is, it goes up, where we see the yellow arrow, and it keeps going up and up and up. And then when you turn the dryer off, a lot of the lint falls back down and gets caked in. And sometimes there's even lint that gets caught here at the very top on the roof. And it's really hard for the moist air from the dryer to leave, and it takes a long time for the dryer to do its job. So we can fix this today really easily. We don't even need any tools. We're just going to get behind the dryer and we're going to remove the dryer vent tube. This is the flexible type, but sometimes you need to remove a clamp, or in this case just a little bit of the tape comes off, and we can see there's some lint caught in there, but it's mainly going to be found here where it enters the wall, because it's going to make a right turn and go straight up about maybe 8 inches in. That's where most of the lint ends up. I'm just reaching in now, and I'm going to, just using my hand, just grab all the lint that I can feel and pull it out. There's a big chunk. And it doesn't take much of this stuff to accumulate and then cause the dryer to really take a long time to do its job. It uses a lot of energy. Sometimes you have to run the cycle twice, and it's very easy to fix. You just got to get back here maybe about every 3 months, is probably wise, and clean out the vent tube. So now I've got the vent tube removed, and I'm just reaching in and getting every bit of lint I can get out. There's even a tool you can get on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description that can help to clean it even better. So here we're just reaching in. I got my little assistant helping me. We're going to reach in and just grab all the lint that's accumulated here in the wall. You're going to feel it. It'll probably be moist too, because this is where the moisture gets caught. It can't get out, and you're going to find that there's a big ball of lint in there. Again, probably kind of wet. So you just reach in and pull it out, and then just feel in and get as much of the lint out as you can. And once we get all that lint out, you're going to notice that your dryer is going to work a lot better, a lot faster, use a lot less energy, and you won't wear out your dryer as fast too. So it's very easy to do, and all homes should probably do this, but especially condominiums and apartments, because they typically have this arrangement where the dryer vent tube goes straight up. Again, at least 10 feet, but sometimes more. Look at all the lint that came out. I mean, if you compress that, it's like the size of a big softball. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you to fix your dryer and saves a lot of energy for you. Thanks again. I'd like to announce our new channel membership. By joining, you're going to get some really good perks. Number one, you're going to get live help whenever you need it on your appliance problems, either by text, email, FaceTime, Zoom, whatever you want to get your appliance problem resolved. I'll be able to get you any kind of parts diagrams that you need. I'll get you really good deals on parts. I'll send links to you so you can order them and get them probably by the next day to fix your appliance. And all this is only for $4.99. So that'll save you quite a bit of money. And the whole goal of becoming a member with me is that it's going to give you a chance to save a lot of money on the types of appliance repairs that we all run into on a yearly basis. So thanks so much, and please click on the link in the description below, and that's going to allow you to join our channel today, start working on resolving your appliance problem. So thanks again.